Hello, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you clicking on my channel to see what I'm about. Right now I am doing mainly beauty related things, but I do add a little bit of health things, and I just recently started doing Mask Mondays with a bunch of other lovely ladies, and I am also reading a really good book during that time. I also plan on doing other day-to-day type things. I would really like to add my home renovation things to the channel. I bought a fixer-upper and I plan on doing a lot of renovations on a budget. I was also thinking about adding my weight loss journey. We know if you have ever battled weight loss, it is definitely a journey. So I was thinking about adding that to see if it might help someone else. I actually had wanted to start my channel for 2 to 3 years, and I kept thinking I really needed to get things like my weight off and other things done. And one day about 6 months ago, I just thought, what if my journey could help someone else? So I decided to go ahead and just do it. Just throw myself into it and figure it out as I go, instead of trying to plan out every little detail like I often do in life. You will also see my son that's just recently turned 9. He loves to show himself in videos, and he really loves getting some feedback. He has some special needs, and he really loves to know that he's part of this. Let's see, what else would you like to know about me? You are welcome to ask anything you would like. I just decided it was probably time to go ahead and do my intro video, and I kept putting it off, or kept forgetting, trying to keep all the other ones up. And I was trying to do videos every day, and that really is my goal, to do something every day, no matter how small, just to say hi to you all. I also do short little videos when I see a sale come up, because until you reach 1,000, from what I've told, you can't get the community tab, which is just how a lot of YouTubers tell other people about things. So since I don't have that yet, I try to go and do little videos to let you all know when I see a really good sale. And I think we are about more than our beauty, and our beauty has more to do than just makeup. I think our beauty has to do with us as individuals. It has to do with our stress levels, our health. So many things go into our aging and our beauty. So I really want to cover a lot of different things about us as humans that make us who we are, and that is my goal, to help anyone. I mean, not that I am a specialist or anything, and I'm definitely not a beauty guru. I just love makeup, and as I get older, I, like so many people, want to fight the aging process as much as possible. I am honored that I get the option to grow old, but as most of you know, we really don't want the wrinkles and the sagging and all that any more than we have to. So that is basically my goal. I'm not anywhere close to any type of specialist to help with makeup, or I'm just a normal person and hope that maybe something I do or say might be able to touch someone or help someone in any way possible. And I really, really appreciate that you watched this. I hope you consider joining our little family and leave comments and let me know who you are. And you're welcome to ask anything. Any comment you have, just let me know. And I'm just a normal day-to-day person just like you are, and I love making new friends, and I hope you decide to become one of those. Bye-bye.